My name is Mark. To start today I am going to tell you which are the main documents involved into shipping. So let's go discuss the main documents required into shipping. 1. Commercial invoice. This is the normal proof of sale, provided by the shipper to the importer, and in itself is not a freight document. It becomes one because customs requires it for clearance. 2. Certificate of Origin COO. Supplier will prepare this in combination with their Chamber of Commerce. This document is also required by customs for clearance because it helps identify banned items and duty payable. 3. Material Data Safety Sheet MSDS. This document only applies to hazardous goods and is usually provided by the supplier. Forwarder will require this when the shipper's letter of instruction is prepared. 4. Fumigation Certificate. This document is only required if wood, and some other natural products, are included in the shipment. This most often applies to pallets and crates. 5. Shipper's Letter of Instruction, SLI, with the above forms ready to go. This document kicks off the shipping process. With this instructions, carrier prepares his document which is called as Bill of Lading. 6. Booking Confirmation. This is confirmation given by the carrier for booking the slot on the intended vessel for transit. The carrier provides this to forwarder, who then in turn forwards it to the exporter. 7. Bill of Lading. As mentioned earlier, this is the document prepared by the carrier basis SLI shipper's letter of instructions. It's contract of carriage for the main transit leg. Like any other contract, it has terms and conditions which limit forwarder and carrier liability. This document also provides proof of ownership of the goods in case of damage, theft or loss. 8. Packing List. This is receipt of goods at delivery. It is attached as a pouch on the goods and also emailed ahead. It is only required when shipped goods are packed into larger units, like a container or an aircraft console. The supplier completes this form, although the forwarder will also complete one if the goods are repacked at their warehouse. In addition, there are few other documents also involved which we will see in the coming videos. However, the other documents are not mandatory. So to learn some more about shipping, subscribe to our channel on YouTube. Link is available in the description. So see you in the next video.